Good afternoon, my name's Andy Coyle. I'm going to show you this gorgeous 1960 Jaguar Mk. These are super cool cars. I recently sold another one similar to this. It's a 1960 with a 3.8 liter 6-cylinder engine. Real wire wheels with knockoffs. Good paint, but older. There's some chipping showing that I've documented with the photos, but it's beautiful newer interior. The wood appears to be in very nice condition. Seats and upholstery are very good. Story on this car, it's from a collector in San Clemente. Drove it up here last week. We cleaned and detailed it today. It's a very cool car. Has newer radial tires on it, knockoff wheels. There's the Mark II badging, 3.8. Trunk's very tidy. Looks like it has new shocks. Has the front plate. Has the something I want to show you. Has the original toolkit, which is very cool. Shows this car has been cared for. You know, the car like this, being this condition, has been well taken care of. Paint, it's got some flat spots, but overall it's pretty good. There's a little rot showing, just early stages. Chrome overall is very nice. Door panels are newer. It looks like a telescoping steering wheel. So this has a 4-speed. Oh, I forgot to show the engine. So this has a 4-speed, which is kind of cool. Very stock looking engine compartment. Runs and drives well. Like I said, the guy drove it here last week in stop and go traffic. That's a testament to any old Jaguar. So go for a quick spin. I love how they did the radio and stuff. Reminds me of like James Bond. So starting is you turn the key, ignition on, then there's a push button, and it's manual steering, but it's not bad. Shifts nicely, goes right into gear. Gauges all work. So we're in 3rd gear. Drives very nice, very smooth, goes down the road absolutely straight as an arrow. We'll hit 4th. So we're in 4th gear. It says it has overdrive. I'm not sure how to operate that. And we're going 45, 50 miles an hour. Stops nice and straight. Very nice. So clutch feels real good. Clutch is right the height where it should be. drives out excellent. So we're in 4th gear now. Drives out very, very nice. Very smooth and comfortable. So we're going to turn in up here. I believe the turn signals work. Stops really good. Stops nice and straight. Very impressed. And it idles. It's like a sewing machine. Reverses to the left and up. So the gearbox works very well. It's a testament to the design and also the upkeep on this car. So let's review. It's a 1960 Jag Mark II, 3.8 liter, 4-wheel disc brakes, California title, smog exempt, clean title, 4-speed on the floor, cool car. Let me know if you have any questions. Wipers work. Headlights work. I don't know if you can see across the way. So, good car, good price, motivated seller. Thanks for your consideration.